How's it going, everybody? It is a beautiful day. It's only like 40 or so degrees. We're going out to start that last field of corn. It is on, hey, you can't see, but it's on the highest part of the ground. It is way up there, and the road to get up it is pretty steep. So, and it's muddy. So we're not going to be able to get the dump truck up there, that's for sure. And before you level off and get a good spot to unload the grain cart into the dump truck, it's going to be a little ways away. So we're bringing the 4055 up, and I'm going to use that to drive up, get the grain cart, come down, unload, go drop it back off the field, bring the 4055 back down to the dump truck. We got the auger moved over. I'll show you inside the bin in a second. I set up the dump truck. Right now I'm hopping in the 2940. Anyway, we're in the 2940 right now. It's a great tractor. I love it. It's running around 85 horsepower. It's got a sync. I think this is a synchro. It's got a high-low. You got one through 4 in your first gear. And then in your reverse, you have the 4 reverses. And on the high side, you have 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. This is the park and brake. This tractor was made in Mannheim, Germany. So, and actually, it shifts really, really nice. It is a great tractor. Also, on the 55 series, I think there's a lever right here. Each gear has a half speed, like right now. I just got to bump it up, or vice versa, I'm on the high side, bump it down. Really nice tractor. I really like it. This used to be my dad's big tractor back in the day, and we're making strides. We've come a long way, because like I said, this used to be the big tractor. He used to chop, I think it was a single row chopper he would chop with it, and now all we really use it for is it'll run the manure spreader a little bit. It's a PTO tractor, like for the augers, the blower, and rakes hay. He does plant corn with it. We have the meter here for planting corn. So anyway, I'm going to go hook this up to the auger. We got the 4055 right there warming up, and we're heading out to the field. So we're heading out, and we're going to see how this goes, as we are starting our last field of corn. Hopefully this doesn't take too long to combine, and we can make it through, and we can put a check mark on corn and be done for the year harvesting wise. So, heading out. So we're in the dump truck heading back out to the field. I have my little guy. Can you say hello? Hello. Let me see you a second. Look at me. You got messy Oreo face.
Yeah.
He packs snacks. Did you pack snacks? Okay, we're heading out in the field now. Oh, it's bouncy, it's bouncy.
Hi, cow.
Saying hi to all the cows.
Hi, cow.
There's Heidi and Holly out there.
Hi, Heidi and Molly.
Holly. So the truck's in the park there. We're going way up there on the hill. So I'm going to drive this up, grab the grain cart, bring it down, load it, bring it back. It gets pretty swampy right in here and over here. It's pretty wet, so I don't think the truck can get through. So I gotta park it a ways away, but at least we got this tractor that can go back and forth. So heading up. Yeah, there's a pond down there. That's probably where the deer go to get a drink. So we're going around trying to find him here. He called me and said he couldn't make it all the way around, so he'll be waiting for me. Oh, I've seen deer down there. They come up here and they eat our corn and get all full, and then they go down to that pond and have a drink. There he is. He is all full. okay. I'll back up. Uniform there. I like that. You got your John Deere overalls. You got your John Deere sweatshirt. And your muck boots like Daddy, huh? Because it's so muddy out. Looking cool today, buddy. Look, Papa's almost done. Then we'll go down and unload it in the dump truck. It is, huh? Too close. Back up a little bit. Alright, let's try that. Okay, so we're back in the truck, heading back up. Finally gonna put some corn in the bin. So, takes a little while to get that field opened up. There's a lot of different corners and shapes and all that stuff, fun stuff. Finally got it opened up good and can leave the grain cart in a good place. Like I said, now we can really get rolling. Along pretty good. I got a big load of corn in the back of that grain bin right now, so time to get down this hill. Longer this field now. We got the long ways done and it shortens up over here, so hopefully will go by pretty fast. It can be done. Testing the moisture. Love to see what that is. Some really nice corn. It's running about 18%. Starting to get dark. Let's hope we can get it all done. So heading back to the landing spot, grabbing the tractor, heading up. Hopefully, we're looking at maybe 2 to 3 more truckloads. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. And hopefully everything stays together. Countdown's on. Will we finish? That is the question. Got freezing rain and sleet coming tomorrow. Need to get it done tonight. Who knows when we'll get back out there again. So that's it. That's a wrap. We are done, and it feels good to be done. Just putting things away. It's about 8:30 at night. I need to go get some dinner. I am starving. So anyway, just kicking up hay quick to these girls, and then heading up. So thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit me up on Instagram, MikeP7810. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thank you very much. Thumbs up to you. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.